helicopter deck. Of course, used for a variety of different things: vertical replenishment, anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, medevac. The S model has no offensive weapons, but it is a very effective platform at detecting submarines. And it was unofficially called the Nighthawk due to the fact it replaced the CH-60F. The R model brings some offensive weapon capability to include a Mark 54 air-launched torpedo. And the venerable H-3C team was also one of the aircraft replaced by these great sports helicopters. They are very fast. Showing a very, very nice big formation there. As they head